uniform you are wearing is the flag of our country. You go in there and you want to give peace to every mother that has a child that's been terrorized with a child that is on drugs. Julle gaan haal hy kinders uit die Pella-posse uit. You go fetch our children from the clutches of these gangsters that has been keeping them in the Pella-posse. That is your work. You go and represent every victim that has fallen prey to gender-based violence. You're going to make sure that the Cape, the Western Cape, no longer has the highest rate of abandonment. Julle gaan seker maak, daar's nie 'n kind op die Kaapse vlakte nie wat slaap in 'n honnehok. That is what you are going to do here today. Daar's niks chocho as from today onwards. I want to thank everyone that's here. Thank you, PC. Thank you to all the generals. Ons gaan so maak in die Kaapen, because for too long, our families have been suffering. We're going to do this and we're going to do it properly. We're going to bring peace. We're going to bring unity. En ek wil verdui, my mission here, my agenda here, because here for the drugs and the gangs, they have corrupted, they have destroyed the moral fabric of our families. Elke kind terug in die klaskamer in. Let us look at the reunification of our families. Communities, as jy nou tyd om video's te vat as julle hierdie mense sien nie. You work with them. I call on you. Julle moet nou eintlik die grootste pimpies is in julle gemeenskappe in. We want those addresses. Without your support and cooperation, gaan niks hier so werk nie. You send all the information to SAPS. We're going to monitor it. I am going to be keeping a close eye over everything that is happening. Go well, be safe, and give it your best. I thank you.